Kwagirithia mitaratara ya ugima wa mwiri bururi-ini na gutigirira Kenya ni moya no litubata wa ugima wa mwiri nikio kibarua kiria ministry ya ugima wa mwiri iri nakio niguo ndigatige ihiga ritari igaruranie mehariri-ini ma murimu ungi ungigoka.
There is need to ensure that there is a system that facilitates continued preparedness and a system that facilitates the need to be able to respond to a pandemic or an emergency while ensuring continuity of health services.
Munini wa minister wa ugima wa mwiri Mercy Mwangangi augite ati bururi-ini wanjitie thabari ino thiini wa mitaratara ya ugima wa mwiri iria iguthie ikiagirithagio ya UHC, Linda Mama na NHIF.
COVID-19 conference that will be coming up in the next 2 weeks that will be hosted by the presidency. We shall be able to share with you more information on how these programs have been interlinked and integrated in future pandemic responses in the country.
Na kuri uguo bururi no urathi na mbere kwandikithia namba nini ya arwaru wa murimu wa COVID-19 muthenya wa gatatu ukiandikithia andu 92 aria manyitikanite na murimu uyu thutha wa ithimi 2,985.
And this brings to total our country caseload to 36,393.
Adu 165 ni mahonete kuria 500 mararigitagirwo thibitari-ini guku 60 makirigitirwo micii-ini. Ona kuri uguo andu angi 3 ni mahotetwo ni murimu uyu na magakua magikinyiria namba ya aria makwite 637.
Continue to celebrate our home-based care program, which has really gone a long way in ensuring that the health system remains resilient. And today, 165 people have recovered from the disease, whereas 105 were discharged from hospitals and 60 from the home-based care program.
Bururi-ini wamukirite indo cia urigitani na cia kugitira arigitani kuma kuri thirikari ya Qatar. Munini wa minista wa maundu ma nanja Ababu Namwamba akiuga ngwataniro njega ya Kenya na mabũrũri mangĩ ni hindi iraciara maciaro.
I would like to express our sincere appreciation to the government of Qatar, who've made donations that will be absolutely crucial in the fight for COVID-19.
It is a consignment that includes a variety of equipment and supplies that will definitely go a long way in contributing to our war chest in this war against coronavirus.
Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ithiite na mbere kuria Akenya kunyita thirikari baru kuona unyitaniri na kwaga kuregeria mawatho ma wimenyereri niho uhotani ukuma. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Winrose Wangui.